canopy at the top. That is, canopy is nothing but the uppermost branches of the trees which are being grown tall. Na? The tall trees are having in the tall the trees, upper portion of the trees, of the branches of the trees in the forest which are grown, we call it as canopy at the top. Even the sunlight cannot penetrate through it. That is, penetrate in the sense it cannot, the sun rays cannot be seen with this forest. Due to why? Due to this, because they are having the thick canopy at the top of the trees, because as they grow very tall and the branches are very wide, and these the uppermost of the branches of the trees in the forest are covered with the bushes and the shrubs, so this sunlight cannot fall through it, and there is a thick undergrowth of shrubs and bushes. That is, shrubs is nothing but the plants which are smaller than tree, we call it as shrubs. Shrubs is nothing but smaller than a tree, the plants which is smaller than a tree and has several main stems, we call it as shrubs. And which are the trees we can find in DRC regions, like mahogany, ebony, redwood, rosewood, rubber and bamboo. What are the trees we can grow and we can see in the DRC region means mahogany, ebony, redwood, rosewood, rubber, bamboo. These are the trees which you can grow in the which we can see in the vegetation of the DRC region, that is Democratic Republic of Congo country. And this Democratic Republic of Congo is also known as the land of dense forest. ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ಟವಾದ ಕಾಡಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರಕಂತ ದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಮೊಕ್ರೆಟಿಕ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗೋ is also known as land of dense forest. And coming to the trees, all trees are not shed their leaves at the same time. And forests look green throughout the year, and hence they are called tropical evergreen forest. What do we call? Tropical evergreen forest. This tropical evergreen forest also is called by name rainforest. These are where in certain situations or in certain places or the regions, trees will be evergreen as there is no period of drought. So in this region the rainfall will be moderate, or throughout the year it does not face any problem of the rainfall. Due to this region will be evergreen throughout the year. So far we saw which is how the land and water bodies are there. That is water bodies in the sense that is lakes and the rivers, oceans is altogether we call it as water bodies. In this, the Congo river is the second longest river of Africa, and in the eastern part of DRC it has got 4 major lakes, which are the lakes Albert, Edward, Kivu and Tanganyika. So next, climate, it will be both hot and wet climate throughout the year, as it is located direct near to the equator region, and direct sun rays of the sun is being received, and it receives heavy rainfall every evening, so it is called as 4 o'clock rainfall. And we also saw the vegetation. Here the trees are like mahogany, ebony, redwood, rosewood, rubber and bamboos are being seen much, and it is called tropical evergreen forest as it does not experience as the drought, as it receives sufficient rainfall throughout the year. And coming to the wildlife is nothing but the species which are present in this region, animals and the birds, including plants as well. ಸೊ ವನ್ಯಜೀವಿ ಯಾವ ವನ್ಯಜೀವಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೊರಿಲಾಸ್, ಲಯನ್ಸ್, ಹೈನಾಸ್, ಹಿಪ್ಪೋಪೊಟಮಸ್, ರೈನೋಸರಸ್, elephant, snakes, crocodiles. These are the things, animals which we can see in the DRC country or the region. Gorilla, lions, hyenas, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, elephants, snakes and crocodiles. And coming to the birds, pelicans. Pelicans is nothing but ನೀರು ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು, ನೀರು ಕೋಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀರು ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೆಲಿಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಡಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಬಾತ್ಕೋಳಿ. ಈಗಲ್ಸ್ ಹದ್ದು. ಔಲ್ಸ್ ಗೂಬೆ. ಸೊ these all are the things, birds which we can see in the DRC country. Gorilla, lion, hyena, hippopotamus is nothing but ನೀರು ಕುದುರೆ. ರೈನಾಸರಸ್, ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, ಆನೆ, ಹಾವು, ಮೊಸಳೆ, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು? ಡೆಮೊಕ್ರೆಟಿಕ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗೋ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಸಾ in DRC country how the climate is and which are the water bodies they present, how the vegetation and which are the animals or the wildlife can be seen. So in the live session I will be showing the pictures related to animals, birds and the trees, okay, along with the map. Thank you, and please complete the worksheet. As your tests are commencing from the next weeks, please complete the classwork and please update the classwork and the homework. Thank you.